In this video, we're going to be discussing the basics of wedge use and how to apply these principles to our everyday carry setup to produce our desired level of concealment. Wedges come in all different materials. The majority of them that you'll see are a high quality foam material or something like a built-in Kydex wedge that you see on our Pro Series holster. The purpose of a wedge is to press up against our body in order to encourage the top of the slide or the grip or the rear sight to press further into our body for better concealment. The portion of the gun that gets tipped closer into your body is dependent on where you place your wedge. Placing the wedge on the slide side of our holster encourages the grip of the gun to press in closer to our body. And when we place the wedge closer to the grip side of our gun, it encourages the slide side of the gun in closer to our body. Something to note about this positioning is that it can affect how well the wing on your holster is working, so your mileage may vary here. Wedges work in conjunction with pressure from a belt or an Enigma. So without the appropriate amount of pressure, a wedge or even a wing simply won't work. It's a lot like a teeter-totter. Without the force of gravity coming down on it, it can't teeter or totter. Don't be afraid to play around with your wedge placement. Ride height can play a pretty key role in how well your wedge works and how it interacts with your body. Some body types may benefit from the wedge being placed up slightly higher on the holster. They might also benefit from bringing the holster up slightly higher on their waistline. If your wedge is placed too low and it's not making enough contact with your body, consider bringing it up slightly higher on your holster, more towards the center line. Again, don't be afraid to play around with this. Wedges and concealment features are something that are a customizing feature for us, and so we get to play around with it and learn how it works and interacts best with our body and our peaks and our valleys. For more information, check out the Filster Concealment Workshop on Facebook, as well as the educational content available on our website and our YouTube channel.